Are you dealing with Apple authorization error on Grindr? In this video we will explain 3 solutions to get back on Grindr. 1. Contact Grindr support. Send an email and tell them about the problem. 2. Use VPN. Go at App Store and download VPN. You should use VPN if you are not in allowed countries. 3. Purchase a number on DatingZest. Go at DatingZest shop and purchase a new number. Write your billing details and credit card information. Press place order. Go on Grindr and create an account. Accept their terms and conditions of service. Also Grindr privacy and cookie policy. Now create your account. Write your birthday and other information. Now get the number from DatingZest. Copy the number and paste it on Grindr. Select the country and paste the number you got from DatingZest. Press send code. Grindr will send you a code on DatingZest. Copy that code and paste it on Grindr. Press verify and your account will be verified. Now complete your profile. Tell Grindr what you are looking for. Enjoy your account.